Okay, after we load ink cassette, then we can start to test the print to check the print head, all the ink is printed out or not. We put the paper on the surface of the table and press up to protect to be sure the print head will not scratch the table and the media. It automatically stop. Then we go to the software. We place test head studio and cartridge start print. And here's the print head nozzle for color: black, cyan, magenta, yellow, magenta, cyan, white. Must be sure all the nozzle are coming out. At least must 80% nozzle are printed out. If the ink nozzle are not totally coming out, we need to do the head clean or load ink again as before. So this is the head studio test for check if the ink goes through or not. This is the only for test the white ink, color ink. Then we must test the white ink head studio. We move the white paper and we move the table backward by software. I press the back icon. Then the table at this position, and we do the click on the white ink open. White ink open. Choose open, and we go to test head studio print again. And here we can see this the white ink nozzle. This is the white ink for the print head, and also must be sure no less than 80% nozzle are coming out. If the nozzle as this still not all the coming out, we need to do the head cleaning again. We go here, test, we go here clean. 100吧. The strong head 1 is for white ink, head 2 is for color ink. If the white ink is not coming out totally, we choose head 1 to clean again. The vapor coming out to wipe the surface of the print head. Then test the print again to be sure all the nozzles are coming out. We press back to move the table backside. Then we test and also be sure the white ink is open. Then we go to test head studio. We test the print again. So you can see this last one is better than before. If it's still not, you need to do the cleaning again. To be sure, no less than 80% the nozzle are coming out. So this is the procedure for how to do the test print for head nozzle. After the print head of white ink and color ink all are coming out, so we can do the next step. Thank you.